yesterday I arrived at this place called Probolinggo. I'm finally here, which is the closest town to one of the most famous mountains in all of Indonesia, which is called Bromo. And everyone's telling me that for some reason I cannot rent a motorbike in here. So what I'm trying to do now is I'm trying to go to the bus station to find a motorbike taxi. Bus station? And to convince a random driver to just rent me his motorbike. Or if they want to go with me, they will have to be sitting on the back and I'll have to be driving. Makasih. Que station bis? A lady's helping me go to the bus station. So cute. Okay, bye-bye. I just came to the bus station and now I need to find a motorbike taxi and try to convince them to go ahead with my plan.
Run back possible.
Kamu motor apa?
150.
That one?
Yeah.
But I want to drive.
I'm too rich now.
Di sini indah? Kamu suka?
Suka.
Suka. Okay, this is the viewpoint. Some people are taking pictures. Oh, apparently you can go on the roof. Right here. Bagus. This has to be one of the best views I've seen in a very long time. It's so good. I'm finally here, and that right there is where I'm going. Apparently there's even some people on the top. Yeah, there's definitely some people there. I'm gonna join them. Now, to be honest, I thought there will be a lot more people here and that the weather will be a lot worse. But there's not that many people and the weather's great. So far, I haven't seen a single foreigner. And about 11 people want to take a picture with me already. I'm not even halfway there. It's crazy. So this is the staircase that leads to the very top of the crater, right there. Oh, there's quite a few of them. Whatever. I'm sure the view is going to be great. Oh man, there were more stairs than I imagined. I'm here. That's the viewpoint. That's the inactive volcano. And that is Bromo. It was very good.
Yes.
Indah sekali ya. Bos, bisa makan sedikit ya?
Yeah.
Bagus, makasih. I'm currently having some instant noodles. And right after that, we're going to be going to a very, very famous waterfall in here. They say it's the second highest in all of Indonesia. So, it should be pretty spectacular, I guess. I hope. Bagus, terima kasih. Bye-bye. Bagus, makasih.
Sama-sama, you welcome, bro.
So I just came to the waterfall. Apparently it's extremely big, and if you go there without a raincoat, you'll get totally soaked. So I even had to get a raincoat. Apa kabar? Berapa harganya?
11.000 satu orang. Dari mana?
Dari Indonesia. Terima kasih. Bye-bye. Bye. There's a trek of 2 kilometers to reach the waterfall, but it's really, really beautiful out here, so I don't really mind. Now we're entering the big waterfalls and everyone is putting their raincoats on. And we'll be going there, somewhere under the waterfalls where it's extremely wet. Man, it's so hot in here. I'm sweating. I think I'll also take my shoes off because they'll get completely soaked. It hurts. Oh, wow. Wow. It's everywhere. It's very cold and wet in here, but the view is amazing. Oh, there's another one right there. Right there. Wow. Oh, yeah. Look at this. Oh. I'm getting soaked here. So cool. Look at the current. Shit. This is crazy. Wow. Oh, my pants. This is one of the best waterfalls I've ever seen. It's so intense and it's so big. And it's everywhere you look around. You cannot really escape it at all. I can't see anything. Look at my foot. This is the second highest waterfall in all of Indonesia. It's immense. It's crazy how big it is. From here to there. Wow. We're gonna check it out now. I can't wait. You cannot possibly come closer to the waterfall than I am right now. I'm literally a few meters away from it. It's so large. That is the top right there. Wow. This is huge. There's even waves in here. Wow. Quite a few people actually got killed here by bathing here or standing here when there was a rainstorm and then a lot of water came down. So it's so strong. But it's a very interesting and surreal feeling standing so close to it and actually feeling it. So many things went okay today. The weather was awesome, the people were awesome, all of those locations were awesome. But now I'm really tired, so I'll just get back to my bike and I'll go rest for the day. But it's been a great day.